Good morning and welcome to a coffee video. Today we're going to make a beautiful cortado. We love this cortado. It's a really short coffee. If you're used to kind of flat whites and that kind of thing, it's like a miniature flat white. So today we're going to use the ristretto shot simply because my coffee machine at home only has a 2-shot handle. Ristretto is an espresso double shot with which is just shorter, so you don't get the acidity that you get in a full espresso shot. Anyway, without further ado, let's get straight onto it. Your equipment list for this one, basically the same as most of the other videos that I've made. You need your scales. They're just normal household scales. You need your coffee machine, which is just this one. I've got a Breville Barista Max. Again, it's about 4 years old. It's done the rounds, made a lot of coffee. You need your group handle and you need your beans. So I'm using, again, I'm still on these amazing Encanto beans. They're from Colombia. They're Arabica, and this one is a whole bean which we're going to grind. Obviously you need your jug as well, so we've had this one and your thermometer. So we've got like a small jug, but it's a wider top. And a thermometer. The thermometer's in Fahrenheit, so we're going to be steaming to about 120 for this one. In this cortado particularly you don't need to, but for this one I'm going to be using the creme brulee. A little bit of creme brulee just to add a bit of sweetness, and also I'm going to be making this in oat milk and in whole milk as well. So we're going to be making two. Right, so I'm going to run through the process now of making the ristretto. I've got to switch on my scales, weigh my group handle, zero the scales, and I want to be grinding about 40. Give that a try. Bang on 14 grams, that one. Just going to show you. There we go. 14 grams. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So it's just a case of getting used to your grinder so that you can use your eye. Okay. 3-stage level. Tamp, give it a good tamp, and then wipe so we're not putting loads of coffee grind where it doesn't need to be. Cortardo glass. The Cortardo glass, I've had that on top of the coffee machine so that it starts to get nice and warm. So I'm going to count 10 seconds from when the coffee starts dripping out of the group handle. There we go. Perfect. And then I'm going to add just a pump of creme brulee. So moving swiftly on, oat milk. So I'm not going to go all the way to the lip, I just want enough so that I can steam enough milk and create enough foam, microfoam on the top for this small shot. So you can hear that nice little chirp. Well, that's the steam I'm just filling the milk with the micro bubbles. Up to 120, and then we're knocking it up. Nice little chirping noise. Just showing me that we're doing the right thing. So not huge bubbles in this one, just micro bubbles. That's what we're looking for. Give it a nice smooth flavour, nice smooth texture. So I nearly forgot to show you this time. Wiping the steam arm, pushing it down and just purging it. Just to make sure that there's no milk stuck inside that steam arm. So you may see baristas doing this in their coffee shops. Just banging the jug, making sure that there's no big bubbles. Okay, so we're going for the pour. I'll spin it around a couple of times and then give it the wiggle. There we go. And a very lovely oat cortardo there for you guys. There we can see it. The final product. Oat cortardo, little bit of creme brulee, ristretto shot, little pattern on top. Oat milk is harder to work with. So it's not as easy, so you need to do a little bit of practice just to get that pattern on top, but there we go. And we'll go for the taste test. Now straight on to the taste test. I am biased because Cortardo is one of my favourite, especially with oat milk, especially with a little bit of syrup in it. Wow, that's amazing. So if you're going to make one of these at home, I would probably go to a coffee shop and just get one first, just to try it, just to see how they do it, just keep an eye on the barista, see how they're making it. It's an amazing coffee, has a real nice punch to the coffee, but a beautiful smooth flavour, and the micro bubbles make that amazing foam. It's really good, trust me, it's really good. So I hope you enjoyed watching our Cortardo video. I hope that you got something from it and you're able to take that home and have a go yourself. Certainly leave me a comment, let me know how you get on if you have a go at it. If you think I'm doing something slightly different to what you're used to seeing, then give me a comment as well. I'll certainly have a look at that for you. But yeah, give us a comment, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe if you want some more. Plenty of coffee videos coming out really soon. Thank you.